If your Omnipod is stuck on the loading screen, there are several possible reasons for this issue. It could be due to a temporary glitch in the device's system, an outdated Omnipod app, or an overload of cache and data. To resolve the problem, you can try forcing a reboot or doing a power cycle. To force a reboot, press the power button for less than a second. Then swipe to unlock the controller. Enter your PIN, and press OK to finish. Alternatively, you can turn the device off for a few minutes and then power it back on. Updating the Omnipod app is another potential solution. Simply go to the App Store on your device. Search for the latest update, and download it. If the issue persists, you can try clearing the cache and data by going to your device's settings, selecting the Omnipod app, and tapping the Clear Cache and Data button or the Offload option, depending on your device. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get your Omnipod working properly again.